Why does your PC boot slow? Let's fix it in 2 minutes. For the first step to fix your slow PC, go to Task Manager and here in Startup, disable all the apps that you don't want. For me, I've disabled most of it except the webcam one because I use webcam and the Riot client because you need to restart your PC if you don't have Riot client open from the start. Disabling all this gives you a time boost in opening your BIOS and it gives you a better speed while booting your PC. If you are on Windows 11 and can't find it here, just go to your search tab, type in start. Here in startup app, you'll see the same things. Just disable the ones you're not using. Now for the second step, I would go to my file manager. You can just go to your this PC on your desktop if you have. Right click on this PC, go to property. Here now to your right, see for advanced systems. Go to performance, hit settings and just set adjust for best performance. And after doing that, enable peak and show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Just check these, hit apply, hit OK. After that, we'll go to startup and recovery. Here, just set all this to time to display 30 seconds. Write an event system log because if something messes up, you can just check it in the log and set this to automatic memory dump and hit OK. And for the third step, just right click on your start button, go to device manager. Here, scroll down to system devices and expand it. You'll find high precision event timer. Just disable it. We don't need it. Just disable it. It will work. After that, I'll give this command in description. You can just make a new notepad, paste all this. It will clear our temporary files and prefetch on its own. Paste all this there, hit back, rename the file. For you it will say .txt. Just change it to .bat extension. After that, right click, run as admin, hit yes. It will clear everything, all the temporary files, all the pref. After that, just go to your local disk C, go to properties, go to disk cleanup, clean up system files, and after that, just check all these. Make sure you don't have anything important in recycle bin. Check all this, hit OK. Delete file. We'll wait for it to delete all the files. While this happens, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And this is the only way that helps you, because other YouTubers will tell you to download this program and all that. And before disabling or doing anything, make sure you have your ChatGPT or any AI open and you can literally search there. Should I disable this for my PC or not? Do that. Find your workaround and this will help you the most. Also, if you want to check your drives if they are working fine, you can just check them here. It will scan the drives. It will take some time and you can optimize to run more efficiently. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.